Fit 100% watertight tile backer boards like a pro. Firstly, calculate the quantity of tile backer boards required. Remember for floors to use either 6, 10, or 12 mm boards. For walls, you must use 10 or 12 mm due to added strength. Do a dry fit by laying the boards out. To cut, simply use a straight edge and Stanley knife like so. If your subfloor is concrete-based or screed, flexible tile adhesive should be used to bond the boards securely. For timber such as stud or floorboards, stainless steel screws and washers should be used. We recommend 15 per full board. Frame and screw the pre-made shower niche for a fully watertight finish. For a seamless finish, the tile on universal shower tray can be cut to size and fitted amongst the tile backer boards. It comes with a fall built in for drainage and optional stainless steel grill and waste trap. Now to ensure your install is fully 100% watertight for wet rooms and bathrooms, apply a thick coat of tanking paste across all joins and corners, apply the membrane fleece and corner sections, and finish with another coat of tanking paste. Do this across all joints. Allow to dry. Ensure clean and dust-free. You're now fully watertight and ready to tile directly to the boards with no additional primer needed. Enjoy your 100% watertight tiled install.